Hey everybody, my name's HardDuckMan, and welcome to Harmful, a VHS tape found in the forest. Ooh, very scary. I haven't seen any other details in the game because that's literally all there is. This is a VHS tape that someone found. So good things are gonna happen. Great things. Awesome, lovely, terrific things are gonna happen. Whew. Someone's playing it. I'm so ready for this blue screen of water. Subnautica, apparently. Mother... Ooh. We're in the back of a car. Hey! This is relaxing, actually. I like this. Who's the guy in the front? Am I just recording myself driving for some reason? I mean, I'm cool with that. Very, very nice. Do a little... Oh! So I'm guessing, yeah, that was us driving. Nice truck, bro. It's a dope truck. Took a little river to the forest. We're gonna go for a nice little walk in the park. A nice little walk in the park. The shift button makes you stand still. Why is that a thing? Any important news on the board? You know, anyone murdered? Missing campers? No? No? What is that? That grass looks kind of scary. I should not be a farmer. Because, ooh. What kind of forest am I in? Because this is a little weird. This seems like I shouldn't be here. Ooh. Okay. This is terrific. I love camping. I got the camping supplies. Yep. Definitely do. We're gonna go camping. I'm gonna put the supplies down and we're gonna have a great old time. Hello? Oh, you cannot do that to me! You cannot do that to me. I'm trying to enjoy my camping day. Okay. Oh, we did set up our camping stuff. Great. It's not even there. This sucks. My camping trip was ruined. Can I get a fire going? Can I make some food? Can I make some munchies? Alright, let's go enjoy the beautiful forest that we live in. There's no one out here, right? It's just me? Just me and myself? I'm sure it's just me out here. I think, is there something we're supposed to be looking for? There's a campfire here. I feel like I've got to search. Is there still a way to get back to the fence? Because maybe I just have to go back. Maybe the camping trip's done. Maybe we're finished. Yeah. Maybe we just want to go home. Yeah, I'm just gonna go home. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna... There's cabins! Oh! There's... a truck. Is that my truck? Huh. Okay. No, honk honk! Why I shouldn't be going through people's stuff. Nothing bad. Ooh, the camera tilted a little bit. Sorry, is the ground sinking? Is this place built on a slant? Ooh. There's food. There's meat. There's meat. Big old slices of venison. Probably some crazy hunter being a hunter and killing stuff. Oh yeah, that's what he's doing. Hi, anyone in here? Ah! The jump scare was in there. Son of a... Oh, we're in there. Oh, is there someone up there? Hey. Oh, there's someone up there. Why are we down here? Sorry, I didn't mean to be on your property, sir. I just wanted to have a nice camping trip with my non-existent tent. It's special. When you go inside it, it disappears. It's very cool like that. It's very pretty. I'm gonna check out this basement. It's very, very nice down here, sir. I was ready for it, but it still got me. Oh. Hey, Frank. Hey. How are you doing? How did I get here? Is this one of our friends? Is he practicing his karate? Is he gonna make us dinner? I hope the dinner is gonna be terrific. Can he cook well? Hey, dude. Oh, he's dead. I think. Can I get the knife? Can I get the knife? No? Apparently not. Oh, bro, can I get you down? Oh, no, I'm so sorry, dude. Just grab a knife. Why can't I grab a knife? This is the best thing I could possibly do. Grab a knife. Grab a knife. Defend yourself. Defend yourself, please. Just grab anything to fight with. Oh, am I just gonna sit here like a baby boy? I didn't realize this until I was finished editing this video, but it was the murderer holding the camera, not me. I was the guy being hung up on the wall, so yay! Oh no, oh no. I'm too busy holding the damn camera. Oh. Hey. Am I dead? Oh, is my character dead? Did I get cooked? Did I just get eaten? Huh? Okay, yeah, I'm dead. I got turned into burgers. Well, that was the shittiest camping trip I've ever been on, and will ever be on again because I was just chopped into little pieces of meat and cooked on a bonfire. Wow. Well, that was Harmful, created by Dan McGrath, and I say who it's created by because it says on the main menu. So thank you, Dan McGrath, for making a very terrific little game. And for everyone else who stopped by to watch that with me, thank you as well. If you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe. And if you don't want to get hunted and turned into burgers on your next camping trip, turn on post notifications. Peace, peace.